how to reset your password on Bitfinex. If you would like to reset your password on the Bitfinex app, it's very simple for us to do so. Now what you have to do is you can simply try to go ahead and then launch the Bitfinex application. Once you launch the Bitfinex application, what you want to do is you can simply choose your interface. Now normally if you had remembered your password, you would go to the login tab, enter your email username, your password, and then if you tap on logged in, you'd be able to log in successfully to your account. But since we're trying to reset our password, you have to actually tap the option that says forgot password right here. It will take you to the page where you can go ahead and then fill up your other details, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then reset your password after you verify that you are the owner of the account. This way you could go ahead and then basically reset your password. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.